Alright y'all, so jumping straight into this video, as you can see I'm using two type of products. I'm using the Noxzema Daily Pore Cleanser and I'm using a Freeman Clay Mask. The first product I'm going to use is the Noxzema Daily Cleanser. Normally I use the little spinny brush. I got this from MERCARI, but I lost the little top piece. So now I'm going to take this little loofah glove and I'm going to use the daily cleanser and scrub my face. And this is actually a new product pickup. I normally don't use this. I use like Neutrogena and stuff just because it's in my budget, but this was actually on sale and Noxzema really is the truth. Like, I see why it's so hyped and I see why people use it often, because like I've been using it for like maybe a couple of days and I really see a difference in my skin. Like, it feels like it takes a layer of like dead skin cells off of my face overall. So once I rinse that off, I'm going to now use the anti-stress mask. This has dead sea minerals and all that good stuff to make your skin soothing and radiant. And I'm just gonna put that all over my face. I actually love all the Freeman clay masks. Like, to begin with, I want to test all of them out just because they're so good and they're so affordable. They're kind of like a dupe for the L'Oreal masks. They kind of like are very, very similar, but the prices is just different. So after I put that on, I waited about 15 minutes and as you can see, it was not moving. Like, my face was solid. So after I rinsed that off, I'm now going to use something I picked up from Marshall's for $2.99. It is the Dr. Wellness Super Clean Pores Astringent, kind of like a witch hazel. It's just a deep pore cleanser, and I know that tea tree is really good for your skin. That's why I picked it up. And I like to use this after I use the mask and before I moisturize, just so that it could really seep into my pores. And I normally use this on my face, but I also use it like all up on my hairlines, just in case I didn't get any like makeup or get any like oil off of my face around there. I use it on my ears, on my neck, under my neck, on my chin, literally everywhere. And then after that, this is actually something I wanted to give away, but it is the Garnier Skin Active like mask, moisturized mask, one of those little masks that you just put on that just has moisture and oils in it. And then I put that on for like 5 minutes. It was kind of dry, so it wasn't really doing too much good. But then I'm going to take this rose oil that I also got from Marshall's. I know it was like $6.99, and I've used it all up, honestly, but it still has a little oil to it. And I think I can take the actual roses and make more oil. Then I'm going to take this cucumber water, also from Marshall's, similar to rose water, and just going to spray my face. And that is my new and updated skincare routine. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.